Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Office District Social Welfare Office, Southwest Khasi Hills District. Rengkat kajangan trelang bat ke Office Deputy Commissioner ke Southwest Khasi Hills District. Haka apundro trik ujulio arajar arpustan. Klara kiek International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking arajar arpustan. Halo kapang pedeng. The evidence is clear. Invest in prevention, break the cycle. Hakadigas ngi lasa kilang do Deputy Commissioner Jong ke Southwest Khasi Hills District ba B Maulong ringkat kajing donlang Superintendent of Police ba B Jerwa u Additional Deputy Commissioner ba FB Basan ke Chief Judicial Magistrate kam Secretary jong ke DLSE Southwest Khasi Hills District ke Kong S Majau u District Social Welfare Officer ke Southwest Khasi Hills District ba I Taryang ki Menteri Shnong ki dong hikai ki Khynnah Skul lembat ki dekhot jingiseng samlashnong. Hakadega program lasa miki kusnam shikinong job hakajing kai futsal, basketball, baka marathon.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.